Radhakrishnan. I'm 15 years old. I lived in Podikson Negeri Sembilan and I'm studying in SMK Tinggi Podikson. I said I like to draw, such as story or 3D arts. Other than that, I love to photography too. I won't miss the chance whenever I see the sky or the clouds so beautiful. Oh, I forgot! Today I'm here to talk about what I got from globalchangemaker. Let's go! Favorite speaker. In early teens, Harsha CEO founded Ascendance, a global youth movement in Malaysia that works over 35,000 in 28 countries. For this effort, she received the Diana Award for Social Action and the humanitarian work from the Diana Foundation of UK. How she can carry all this ascendance by herself? She has an amazing personality. Interesting, right? Harsha, I would like to ask you, how is your journey of your success?